You're going to have to use some creativity on how you actually create the cross-validation, how you actually create the hyperparameter tuning, all of that stuff, right? You're going to need some processing power. You probably don't want to do this on CPU, although Meta does support CPU. I forgot to mention that. It supports both CPU and GPU. But these are the things that you can do and you can take on as projects. Okay? All right, guys. So that covers everything that I wanted to cover in terms of this project. So I hope that was helpful. I hope, maybe it inspires some of you to do more work with time series, or maybe you just want to, take your own framework. Maybe there's another library you want to study in the same way, right? You're certainly welcome to do that. All right. Any other questions on this? I'm going to look to wrap up the stream here soon. We've already been going for an hour 15. I can't believe that. But I will post a link to MetaProfit in the Discord. This video will be available on YouTube. But yeah, so last call for questions, guys. Any other questions on what we've covered here? Uh-oh, we might have lost everybody during the hyperparameter discussion. But it's been really great to share this with you guys. I'm usually not inspired to share project ideas, but I see a lot of potential in this particular library. You could come up with a ton of different interesting projects to add to your portfolio. And some of these would make great articles for when you're done, right? When you're done, these could be some wonderful articles. All right, last call before we wrap up, guys. Patrick says, this was awesome, extremely helpful, especially hearing about the methodology. Good, I'm glad, Patrick, because yeah, methodology is super important. Super important. I stress that with my younger analysts all the time. Okay, good.